Experiencing infidelity can be a traumatic experience that leads to overthinking and emotional turmoil. Whether you choose to work through things with your partner or end the relationship, it's important to prioritize self-compassion, mindfulness, self-care, and building self-worth. Challenge negative thoughts with positive affirmations and break free from the what-ifs by using if-then statements. Schedule a daily worry period to address anxieties head-on, and use healthy distractions to shift your focus at other times. Lean on your support system for help and take time to pause before making any major decisions about your relationship. Remember, it's normal to feel hurt and overwhelmed after infidelity, but with the right tools and support, you can move forward and heal.